Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Thahirah binte Mohamed Tahir, metric number 19BI03013. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how to stream on Instagram with using OBS and YELLOWDUCK. So without further ado, let us start. First thing first, you just need to make sure that you have this installed in your computer. The first one is OBS, secondly is YELLOWDUCK, and the third one, of course, you would need an Instagram account to make this tutorial a success. So the first step is to set up your OBS layout for the streaming. So how do we go about doing that is firstly, we need to create a new profile. Okay, so we simply just go to profile and we click on new and we rename it as Instagram. We just click on OK. Alright, so when this window of optimize for streaming is there, you just need to click on cancel. Okay, so we can see that on the profile itself, we can see this Instagram profile has been added in the profile. Okay, so the next step is to resize. So how do we resize our screen? Is we go to settings. Alright, and then we go to video. Okay, and we need to change the base canvas resolution and also the output scale resolution. So the third step is to create a new scene collection. So we simply just click on this add button to create a new scene collection and we just rename it as Instagram layout. Okay, and we can click on OK. And we can see that the Instagram layout has now been added into the scene area. Okay, so actually it is important to create a new profile as well as the new scene in order for us to simply swap back between projects for if needed. Alright, so we go on to step number 4. Okay, so step number 4 is where we add our sources. So in the stream live later that we will do in Instagram, it is important for us to add sources in order to make our life smoother later. Okay, so where do we add these sources is we click on this add button here and there will be many options for you to choose from. Okay, so in my case, I'm doing a Quran hour live streaming. Okay, so I would need a background. So a background, you can either choose to insert an image or a media source. Okay, if for example, if you are using a still image as a background, you can just click on image. But whereas for myself, I'm using an animated background, so I'm going to press on media source. Okay, so media source, you can just click OK, and we need to choose the file. Because I'm using this as an animated one, I'll just click on loop so that it will repeat itself in the background. Okay, so that is okay, so it's my background here. Okay, next we need to put video capture device. Okay, video capture device is where this OBS will capture our face and will show it in our Instagram live later. Okay, so we just click on video capture device, click on OK, and we can see that I'm appearing on the screen. Okay, so it's just make sure that it is HD webcam or whatever you're using. Okay, so this is my HD webcam, so we can just click on OK, and we can see that the screen, my face is there already. Okay, so we can just resize it. Okay, and for also I would need some video or song background at the back before I start my Quran hour session. So I can just add on audio output capture. Okay, and you can just put add existing. Add existing is we need to click on the desktop audio. Okay, so because we'll be sharing the music on our desktop, that's why we need to choose desktop audio. Okay, so we can just put here as OK. Alright, so currently I'm not playing anything, I'm not playing any song, that's why my desktop audio is not moving. So we are now done setting up with our OBS layout. So it's time for us to open our YELLOWDUCK. This is where we will start our stream live. Okay, so we go on to our YELLOWDUCK software. We just open it up. So the first step is just you need to make sure that you have an Instagram account so that you can log into your Instagram account in the YELLOWDUCK itself. Okay. Alright, so once you log into your account, your YELLOWDUCK will turn out like this. Okay, there's RTMP URL and also the stream key. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to copy this URL and also passcode into your OBS to connect them, to connect the YELLOWDUCK and also your OBS later. Okay, so here we just copy this first, copy this RTMP URL, and then we go onto our OBS. Okay, we go to settings. Okay, and then we can proceed to stream, and we need to change the service. It says Twitch here, but you have to change it to custom because we're not using any options in the OBS. And then you have to paste the server just now that we copied earlier. You can see that it is now connected. It is now connected to YELLOWDUCK and also OBS. Okay, and now we are good to go actually. Alright, so we just need to start streaming and then we can start broadcast. So we are live now, so let's check on Instagram how it be. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So inshallah for today's Quran hour, we will recite Surah Al-Kahfi from verse 1 to 10. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.